make close to $500 every day from this platform. So if you want to list in this platform now, just click on the link in the description of this video to take this place. Put your email address, create a password, and then log into this platform. So once you log in, you're going to see this notification now. So if you look at this notification, you're going to see invite 5 people and receive a cumulative reward of 10 USDT. Invite 20 people and receive a cumulative reward of 55 USDT. So there are different ways you can make money from this platform. So once you see it, just click on close. So another way you can make money in this platform is by coming to this place. Once you open it, you see home, you see recharge, you see withdraw, you see help center, you see team. So if you need the app, you can just click on this place to download the app. Then you can refer your friends to earn money in this platform by clicking on invite friends, copy your referral link or invitation code and send to your friends. Once you invite a friend, you're going to earn 70% of every of your friend deposit in this platform. To invest session, you're going to see different other ways you can make money from this place. So if you come to this place, you're going to see that in this place, if you deposit $50, you're going to be earning 3% of your $50 every day for complete 7-day cycle, and you can be able to withdraw your money every day you want it. So you can withdraw your profit and also withdraw your capital anytime, any day. And then we can make money from this place by coming to quantify here. So when you come to quantify, you're going to see different levels of earnings in this platform, and the first level unlock is 15 USDT. So if you want to unlock AI Robot 1, you use 15 USDT to unlock AI Robot 1. So other ways you can earn from this place are by unlocking any of these levels. So if you want to unlock any of these levels now, just go ahead and click on this unlock. So in this one now, you need 1000 USDT to unlock it. So if you want to unlock it, just click on this place to unlock. So when you click on this place, you get you to this place. What you need to do here is just to copy this wallet address now and send USDT to $20 to this wallet address. And then you can go back to perform a tax. Perform a tax now, you can just come back to this place and click on this, and it's going to load, start quantifying, and you're going to see the amount I'm going to earn now. See, I made 121 USDT just now. So I'm going to withdraw this money now. So when I come to me, you are going to see the amount I have in my wallet. I have almost 3000 USDT in this. I'm going to withdraw 49 USDT from this money now to my wallet address. So this is my wallet address, and this is where I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw. So the minimum amount you can withdraw from here is 1.5 USDT. So I'm going to withdraw 49 USDT now from this place. I'm going to put my security password here. So once I put my security password in this place, now I'm going to click on confirm, and I've got this money to my wallet. You see withdrawal successful. So I'm going to check my OKX now to know if this money has received now. This now in my OKX, and this is a certificate given to this company by United Kingdom Financial Conduct Authority showing that this is a legit platform.